Good morning guys. So I'm currently in Calgary and just finishing up a bit of breakfast there. So today I really want to give Calgary the justice that I couldn't give Edmonton yesterday. So I want to start things right, and today I'm actually doing a free walking tour which will give me a good perspective on what Calgary is about, the history, and also see some of the main sites as well. What I found in Canada is that they love to do things involving heights, and Calgary is no different. They too have a big tower. So right now I'm in Edmonton Gardens, which is a huge botanical garden right in the centre of the core shopping mall, and it is beautiful. So I'm just along this river walk here, just in front of the Bow River, and had a very nice day today. So starting off with the walking tour, which was really good, by the way. The guy who ran the tour, he was very into architecture and street photography. It's nice to see some of the buildings and kind of see a bit of the history of Calgary, how it got its name, things like that. And yeah, I'm actually really liking Calgary. It's quite an artistic kind of place. If you're big into art and architecture, this is definitely a good place for you. So I'm just going to take it easy tonight and stroll around, and really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also hit subscribe as well. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.